Meaning of downplay.
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 Downplay. The word downplay means to make something seem less important or serious than it really is. This can be done intentionally, for example, by using minimizing language or by giving limited attention to the topic in question. Downplaying can also occur inadvertently when the speaker lacks knowledge of the subject matter or fails to recognize its true significance. The result of downplaying can lead others to underestimate the importance of an issue or event, which may have negative consequences for decision-making and problem-solving.